have an unboxing for you. As you can see here, there's a very huge package. So this here is the Rain Design mStand. So the company is called Rain Design, and yeah, mStand is this here. This is a aluminum stand for the MacBook Pro. I think every size. Yes, designed for the Apple MacBook and MacBook Pro, suitable for all laptops. So it's made of 100% aluminum, the same aluminum like the MacBook Pros are made of. And yeah, this is a box, so a really huge box. This remembers me of the Apple boxes, you know, with this handle there. Very simple box, very big. Yeah, let's unbox it. As you know, perhaps I still have the X-stand, for the iPhone. It's also of aluminum, really nice, on my desk. So I will let both stand together, you know. I think that will look really, really nice. But let's see. First open the box here on every side. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it, I think so. So here we go. Okay, so I have to go a little bit back. Okay, it works like this here. That's a little bit hard to open. Now I have it, okay. Now, let's turn it. You can see what's inside. So, here we go. There is the mStand. Now I will take it out for you. So that's it. Just a prospect in the box. Let's see what we have here. Yeah, that's just a product guide. You know, this is the mStand I own. This is the iWoofer, the iLab, the iLevel, the iGo, and the i360. Now, that's just a product guide, nothing special. And here we have the most important thing. Yeah, let's put it there. Let's see. Wow. That is cool. That is really nice. Wow. That is really cool. You know, I'm really stunned now. Because that is massive. That is really massive. I thought it would be, I thought it would be like this, you know. But this is really massive. This is really aluminum. Big aluminum. You know, a big piece of aluminum. Really massive. There's a Rain Design logo in the middle. These are, yeah, you know, I don't know the word for it, how to call that. You know, like this one here on the X-stand. Well, let's put them together here. That you can see. Now here we have both together. The X-stand from Just Mobile and the mStand from Rain Design. Now on the back, that was what I really liked. There was this hole, you know, from the iMac, Apple iMac. Here it's also the hole, and you know, I was between two products. I was between this one and between the Just Mobile X10 Pro. But why did I choose this one? This one is half the price, so just $50. The X10 Pro is $100. And this one has this nice little hole. I don't know, the X10 Pro didn't have this hole, you know. I really like those holes inside the stands because that remembers me of my iMac, you know. I like that. So let's see. Here we have this thing that holds the MacBook. Yeah, that's the bottom. Here are also these rubber feet. Yeah, let's call it rubber feet. That's inside. So this thing is really heavy. I don't know how much this weighs, but now let's take my MacBook. Here we have it. Wow, that is cool. That is really nice. Look at that. That is really cool. Now it's hard. It's really hard. You can, you know, you can move it around. It's really hard on the ground. Wow, that is nice. That is really nice. Look at that. I mean, that looks fantastic. Wow. So I can use my MacBook now on this size, this level, high level. Here from the side a little bit. That looks professional. That looks really wow, I like that. I really like this design. So $50 for this thing. There's a little hole, you know, to open the MacBook. Right there. Yeah. There are, you know, there's open right there. To cool the MacBook, you know. MacBooks can be very hot. It can be very hot. So this is to cool the MacBook. Really nice, really nice. $50 for this. I really think it's worth the price because you get a really massive piece of aluminum. This is a massive piece of aluminum and it really feels good. It feels great, like the MacBook Pro, like my MacBook aluminum. Yes, it feels like my MacBook aluminum. So $50 for this. I think it's worth it because, you know, the MacBook is expensive. Why shouldn't the stand also be? Why should the stand be cheap? I mean, it's Apple. Apple is cult. Apple is, you know, Apple is expensive, but you get good things for your money. So I think that's worth it. The Rain Design mStand, $50. Yeah, that was the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe my channel. And yeah, in the next video I think I'm gonna unbox the Radius Atomic Bass earphones. I will get it in a few days from Radius directly. I'm gonna unbox this in the next video just for you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.